Hello everyone, I'll tell you how to make Cranberry sea bridge mocktail, very fancy mocktail. Take a shaker glass, add lots of ice into the shaker glass, then add 240 ml of Cranberry juice. After that add 15 ml of triple sec syrup. Then add 30 ml of ginger and lime cordial. Then add 15 ml of coconut syrup. Then add 20 ml of fresh lime juice. In a big glass, add some ice cube. Add some more ice cube. The glass capacity is 1000 ml. That's why I am adding lots of ice into the. Then shake all the ingredients properly. You have to shake properly. Shake well. Then pour the mixer into a tall glass. See how the color, very fancy colors. Add some more ice cube because this is the biggest glass. I am adding lots of ice cube into the glass. Then add 240 ml of Sprites and fill the glass with Sprites. See how that cranberry sea breezers, and garnish with carrots and cucumbers. You can see the mocktail is really nice mocktail, and the taste also is very good. You can try in your home. You can garnish with orange slice and bay leaf. See the biggest mocktail, and serve with a big straw. See the mocktail is very nice and fancy mocktail, and taste also is really good taste, nice. I'm enjoying with that mocktail. Thank you very much for watching my videos. If you like my video, please share and like and subscribe my channels. I'll upload new mocktails in my channel. Thank you very much for watching my video. Have a good day. Thank you.